Hello, I'm just going to show you how to do a quick Choropleth map on Excel. Something I just found this morning. So I've got some data here. I found some urban population data as a percentage for each country. I've tidied that up, and then you're just going to go to Insert and then Get Add-ins, and it takes you to the store. Okay, and then I'm going to put in a heat map and search for that. And I'm going to use this one, Advanced World Data Map. So you just click Add, agree to that, and that puts in the add-in. And then I changed these colours on a different map, so you can choose any colours you want. Okay, so remember we go with the blues. Okay, the mid colour a slightly darker blue, the final colour a really dark blue. Got the map size. I've defined some colour ranges here, minimum value, maximum value, and then you can bind it to existing data. So I'm going to go and just select that data there. One of the world one in. Okay, click OK, and there's our Choropleth map. As simple as that. Absolutely brilliant. Okay, hope that's useful.